Do you want to make your drone footage look like it came straight out of a movie? It's not about buying a new drone, it's about how to use the one you already have. Today, I'm sharing 10 shots that will completely change the way you film. And if you're serious about capturing stunning drone photos and videos, stay tuned for details about our brand new aerial photo and video course, which is out now. Hey, I'm Adam with UAV Coach, where we help drone pilots fly smarter, safer, and more professionally. These 10 shots are really the basics that every drone pilot should have in their back pocket. Once you get these down, you'll be ready for just about anything that comes your way. Let's dive in. First up is the Dronie, one of the easiest ways to reveal a scene. You start close to yourself or your subject, and then you slowly fly backward and upward at the same time. It's super simple, but it creates that powerful, wide reveal that always looks cinematic. And a quick tip, when you're editing, you can speed up the middle part of the clip to get to the big reveal a little faster if you want. Next is the top-down or bird's eye view shot. All you're doing here is tilting your gimbal straight down to -90 degrees and flying forward, backward, or even sideways. It's a really cool way to show off patterns, coastlines, or even just open spaces, making stuff look completely different from above. Third is the straight flight, just flying forward or sideways in a clean line. It might sound basic, but it's super effective. Find a clear path, push your right stick forward gently, and just let the environment do the work. Straight shots are perfect for setting a peaceful, cinematic tone. Then there's the orbit shot, one of my go-to moves for making any subject stand out. To do this manually, you'll push your right stick sideways and your left stick slowly in the opposite direction. It does take a little practice, but once you get it down, you'll have this smooth, dramatic rotation around your subject that just looks awesome. The trick is to go nice and slow. Up next is the tilt reveal. You'll start flying forward with your camera pointed straight down. As you're moving, slowly tilt your gimbal up until it's level at 0 degrees. It's a great way to reveal a full scene while keeping that sense of movement. And a quick tip, as you get closer to 0 degrees, ease up a little on the gimbal control so you don't get a hard stop at the end of the tilt. And a quick reminder, if you want to keep leveling up your drone skills beyond just flying, our brand new aerial photo and video course is live. Details are down below if you want to check it out. The sixth shot is the pull away or push-pull move. You fly backward while slowly ascending, which makes your subject shrink in the frame while revealing more of the environment around it. It's a simple move that creates a really powerful sense of scale. Seventh is the tracking shot. You're following alongside or behind a moving subject, like a runner, a car, or even a boat. You want to keep a steady distance, move smoothly, and match the speed of whatever you're filming. Most drones have intelligent flight modes that allow you to do this with just one click of a button. It's a really dynamic way to tell a story with motion. Then we have the crane shot. This one's easy but super effective. You start low and just rise straight up like you're lifting off on a crane. It's an awesome way to reveal a scene gradually and works especially well when you're flying up through trees or over buildings. Ninth is the slow tilt reveal. Unlike the earlier tilt, here you're basically keeping the drone still in the air. You slowly tilt the gimbal up or down to reveal a subject or set up a mood. It's a subtle move, but if you pair it with the right music or editing style, it can totally change the vibe of a clip. And finally, the parallax shot. This one keeps your subject locked in the frame while you move the drone in any direction. As you move, the foreground and background shift at different speeds, creating an amazing sense of depth and motion. It's a bit advanced, but once you get the hang of it, the cinematic effect is seriously stunning. If these shots are getting you excited and you're ready to take things even further, we just launched our brand new aerial photo and video course. You'll learn everything from dialing in your camera settings to editing like a pro. Click the link below to learn more, and we hope to see you inside. Overall, getting comfortable with these 10 shots will make you a way more creative and confident drone pilot. Let us know in the comments which shot is your favorite or any other shots you would add to this list. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out our new aerial photo and video course to take your drone skills to the next level. Linked below. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.